Have you ever wished for an assistant who does not just follow instructions, but actually learns how you work, improves the system, and begins outperforming you? Well, that assistant now exists, and it is powered by AI. In today's video, I will introduce you to the next level of productivity. Autonomous AI agents like AutoGPT, Devin AI, and Cognosys. These are not just they are independent digital workers capable of thinking, planning, and executing, all without you micromanaging them. Let us begin. Or organize my email marketing funnel, and then break it into sub. Autonomous AI agents are systems that take a single goal or prompt, like grow my blog. They write code, do research, create content, test versions, and even correct their own errors, all by themselves. It can build an app, test it, fix bugs, and deploy it from scratch. Unlike traditional tools that need constant human input, these agents simulate reasoning and chain of thought planning. Devin AI is the world's first fully autonomous AI software engineer. AutoGPT takes your business goals and uses the internet, file systems, and APIs to execute a multi-step plan, like launching a product or creating SEO content. Cognosys focuses on workflow automation. You give it a system you regularly follow, and it replicates, optimizes, and runs it for you. These tools are not gimmicks. Startups and solo creators are already replacing virtual assistants with AI agents and saving thousands of dollars every month. Let us talk about real outcomes. Want to launch a product? The AI will design a landing page, write a pitch, collect leads, and even run ads. Need to manage client projects? It will schedule, follow up, and deliver outputs without forgetting a single detail. Running a YouTube channel? It will repurpose content into tweets, emails, and blog posts, without you lifting a finger. The more repetitive the task, the more efficient it becomes when delegated to AI. What makes these agents different from earlier automation? They are adaptive. They learn from mistakes. They improve with time. You are no longer managing dozens of tools. You are setting a goal and letting AI figure out the how. This changes the game for freelancers and side hustlers who do not have a team, but still want to scale like they do. But with proper guardrails, they offer an exponential return on your time. This is not a magic wand. These tools are still evolving. They sometimes make logic errors, need oversight, and cannot fully replace human judgment. Yet, if you are not exploring autonomous AI agents right now, you are leaving massive productivity on the table. You do not need to understand programming. You just need to understand delegation. Let AI do the grunt work, while you focus on vision. This is Byte to Bank, where your time gets smarter and your income gets simpler. See you in the next one.